What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the Rogue Vet here. Glad y'all are tuning in. So we are at Cars and Coffee Six Flags for the month of April, and it is a little chilly one today, but hopefully it doesn't affect the turnouts at all. I'm gonna try to get some good footage of this video. Y'all can see we got a couple of people from LSC showing up today. So like I said, guys, I'm gonna start doing the rounds and get the footage. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. I appreciate all y'all. Any comments y'all say, all the likes and stuff like that. Follow me all on my social medias, TikTok and Instagram. But anyway, guys, Jared the Rogue Vet here. We're gonna go ahead and get all of the action that you can see in the background. So let's go ahead and go. All right, we're gonna start off with some of our people from LSC. He's one of our new recruits. Just came here. Look at that, man. The freaking, look at all the aero. It's insane. Car looks crazy.
I've done everything like this. I built this out of plywood.
Man, look at this. Gotta get a picture of the back.
Oh, it's wide body too.
Look at that.
But it's like, it goes all the way back.
We got Flamethrower. We got Rod, C8 Ranger. We got a couple more people from us. All right, as you can see, here's a couple of our people from LSC. Got Rod over here. Car looking sick. Then we got our other homeboy over here. Got that chrome purple wrap. Gotta get a picture of the front. Couple more. Got a nice Z right here.
I can put aqueducts down the middle and direct air anywhere I want to. So it'll have a much better opportunity to like route things where I want to. Because then if I cut the bumper, I'm gonna be hanging the diffuser. There's gonna be a gap probably that wide between the diffuser and the bumper that I'll be able to exhaust whatever I wanted to exhaust. Yeah, exactly.
That's pretty nice Mach 1. I like these, the new edge style, like my Terminator. That's pretty clean though. Got the shaker hood on it. Another Camaro, chopping a little bit. Got a classic, nice classic here.
Yeah.
Got a nice GTR right here. I like those wheels. Got turbo. Oh, we got our boy Cornelius over here. He's in the cool section. Man, it looks nice. His whip looks real nice. Man, another GTR coming in. GTRs are everywhere. Hey man, don't underestimate these Audi RS3s because they're pretty quick. And I think the guy who owns this one, possibly, I know he goes to detail a lot. I think he used to have a GTR. I think he's making like, I think 800 or 900. I think. I'm pretty sure this is him. Hang on, let me see. There's Insta. Man, that's a nice Audi R8. Man, that rear end looks good. GT3 RS. Man, that thing is clean.
No way you got him before my SD card.
Aston Martins. Acura and a 6. That's nice. We got a clean Vet too. If I see a nice vet, I'm gonna record it. Grand Sport as well. We got your Ferrari.
They wanted like 200,000. They sold it. It's like
Oh, the little doggy.
Doesn't crash into a bridge or end up in the bottom of the ocean.
He chilling.
There by come, yeah.
We got the Mopar group. Some new GTRs. Oh, Viper. I like the red GTR. Sun's starting to come out, as you can see from the side over here. We got our two boys over here, Wesley and Rob, behind me. You can see them right there. But we're making the rounds. Hopefully y'all seeing a lot of cool stuff. Hey man, I know I drive a Vet, but I can admire a nice Mustang, and I like the Shelby GT500s. Got a couple classics. I saw this guy in the Mustang when we were driving in. Oh, I see a nice C6 Z06. That's nice. Good lord, look at the dip on the Gran Torino. And the GTO too. I spot the King ZR1 C6. Oh boy. Boys and girls. Boys and girls. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my favorite car here. Oh my god. It's a nice Z06 next to it, but dude, the ZR1 C6. Oh my gosh, dude, a gray ZR1 and then a like wrapped blue one. Oh my god, this is the best. This is the best section right here, literally. Holy smokes, freaking, oh, so sick. He's on the drag pack too. Golly, man. The gray one though. He's got the Kong Performance blower. I'm not sure what kind of blower that is. I don't know if it's a stock one, if it's just ported or whatever, but or if it's a bigger one. I like the gauge pod that he's got on there. All the carbon fiber. Man. We got our boy Bri up here and his homeboy with the Hellcat. Looking clean, looking clean. Got a nice Celine. Oh, and a GTR right here too. Kind of hard to see, but there's some Shelbys over there. Got a Roush supercharged here. But my eye is on the Terminator. I met this guy last time. Pretty cool. Terminator, bro. Terminator. You already know. Freaking Terminator. We had to get the Terminator in there. Terminator. You already know.
I bought the whole back. I had a cleaner and
You got some nice GTRs here. Lambos. Lamborghini. Oh boys, the McLaren. Man, that interior. Lamborghinis and Ferraris. Man, that orange one. Alright guys, well that was pretty much the video. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. I'm sitting in the car right now and trying to get out of here, but 1604 and all the highways are shut down, so we're just sitting at a standstill and it kind of sucks right now. So it's probably gonna take me forever to get home. But anyways, hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And until the next one guys, alright, bye. Rogue Vet out. Peace.